Samsung's New Year surprise is finally here, and the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of 2025. This year, Samsung isn't just tweaking old formulas, they're rewriting the rulebook entirely. From cutting-edge hardware to smarter software, let's dive deep into the Galaxy S25 lineup and explore everything we know so far. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's flagship model, is grabbing headlines for its jaw-dropping design and unmatched performance. Early renders reveal a truly bezel-less display, thinner than anything we've seen in the flagship category. According to industry insiders, the bezels are so minimal that they'll set a new standard for smartphones in 2025, at least for the first half of the year. The display is said to feature dynamic AMOLED 3X technology, delivering brighter visuals, richer colors, and even better energy efficiency, paired with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 3 processor. Exclusive to the Galaxy S25 lineup, the Ultra promises lightning-fast speeds, making it perfect for gamers, creators, and multitaskers. A new star in the lineup is the Galaxy S25 Slim. Samsung is targeting users who prioritize sleekness and portability without compromising on power. At just around 6mm thick, the S25 Slim is one of the slimmest smartphones in history, yet it packs a punch with a 200MP main sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. Its lightweight design is perfect for those who want a flagship feel without the bulk. However, Samsung has decided to replace the periscope zoom lens with a 3.5x telephoto lens, likely to maintain its slim profile. While it will debut alongside the rest of the series at the Unpacked event, reports suggest it won't hit the shelves immediately, with a delayed release later in the year. The rest of the Galaxy S25 series, the S25 and S25 Plus, will feature the same exclusive Snapdragon chipset, ensuring consistent performance across all models. Leaked renders confirm that both devices will sport an updated design, including a more refined camera module and a sleeker frame. Interestingly, Samsung has incorporated millimeter-wave 5G antenna bands into the side of the devices, ensuring better connectivity and future-proofing for the next generation of mobile networks. And then there is the exciting new color lineup. Samsung has gone bold this year, offering vibrant shades like Bing Gold and Jade Green, alongside the classic Jet Black. These colors aren't just for aesthetics. They're part of Samsung's push to make their devices feel as premium as they look. Whether you want something eye-catching or timeless, the Galaxy S25 series has a color for you. But the Galaxy S25 series isn't just about hardware. Samsung has made significant strides in software innovation, with the next-gen Bixby being the centerpiece of their AI efforts. This isn't the Bixby you're used to. This is a smarter, more intuitive virtual assistant that integrates seamlessly with your daily life. With its new generative AI capabilities, Bixby can now pull data from your calendar, emails, and browser to anticipate your needs. Imagine your phone reminding you of a meeting, suggesting the quickest route, and even pulling up relevant emails, all without you asking. It's not just an assistant anymore. It's a personal organizer, problem solver, and productivity tool rolled into one. The photography experience is another area where Samsung has doubled down. The S25 Ultra's 200MP sensor is complemented by enhanced AI-driven features, making it easier than ever to capture professional-quality photos. From low-light photography to super zoom capabilities, the Ultra ensures that every shot is Instagram-ready. Samsung is also introducing real-time object recognition and scene optimization thanks to the new AI processor. Whether you're snapping portraits, landscapes, or nightscapes, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will deliver stunning results. One of the most intriguing rumors is the potential for an eSIM-only variant in the US. This move could signify the beginning of the end for physical SIM cards, pushing the industry towards a more streamlined and futuristic approach. While this may divide opinions, it's yet another example of Samsung's willingness to innovate and take risks. So what's your take on the Galaxy S25 series? Are you ready for the future of smartphones, or do you think Samsung is overhyping its latest lineup? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates, reviews, and exclusive content. The future is here, and it's looking pretty incredible.